Yo guys, how's it going today? I'm Elijah, and I want to thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel today. I have two sneakers I want to unbox for y'all today, both of which I've been wanting for such a long time, and shout out to the homie that hit me up saying that he had these. He gave me a bundle deal on them, and I'm happy because I love both of these shoes so much. I've been wanting both of them, one of them more than the other, but I'll show you that just in a second. But anyways, I love these shoes, man. I love them so much, and let's just get right into it. The first shoe is a pair of golf Fleurs. And if you know about golf Fleur, then you know who Tyler the Creator is. And if you know who Tyler the Creator is, you also know about Odd Future. And Odd Future is his own brand that he's made. He's done collaborations with fans. He's done his own clothing pieces as well. I love all of his stuff. I even love his music. But anyways, Golf Fleur is his line that he's made with Converse, and he's done such a good job with them, in my opinion. I love all the stuff that he's made, clothing-wise and shoes-wise. There's not honestly one shoe that I don't like, but that's just my opinion. But anyways, like I said, it says Golf Fleur on the box, on the top. A little FYI, Converse is actually owned by Nike, in case you didn't know that. They were bought out by Nike a little while back, so there you go. But anyways, just a plain black box, nothing too crazy as usual, just taggings and such. But anyways, here's the bag that it comes in, which is really interesting in my opinion. It says, like I said, Golf Fleur, Converse, but the material of this bag, it's kind of like a potato bag, you know what I mean? Like that rough material that they come in. I don't know if they pack them like that, but like they used to, that's what it reminds me of. But here are the shoes. I'll get to that in a second. You have two laces. He switched them out, which I love, but you have purple and white. I love that, in my opinion. Gives you more of variety to mix and match with the shoes. But here are the shoes, and I love them. Like I said, I love that he switched out the laces, but let's just get right into it. It's green and purple. I love both colors, honestly. He's made a couple of others, like pink and green and yellow and pink and orange, you know, just out there colors, and I love that. As most of y'all know, I love colors, but this is just a beautiful shoe. As most of you know, Converse, most of their shoes, they come in like a canvas material, but this isn't really canvas. It's more of like a suede. You know what I mean? A really nice suede. I will say that, really, really nice. The liner of the inside of the shoe is kind of like this leather, faux leather, sorry. But it says Golf Fleur on the inside. Very beautiful white laces, kind of like a cotton lace, but not just a normal pair of laces. It's like a really thick lace, which I love. Like I said, you'll see some scuffs and marks along the shoe, some stains, but again, it ain't gonna affect me because, like I said, even if they were new, I'd still beat them up. But on the bottom of the shoe, you have these flowers, if you want to call it, or 1 stars, whatever. I don't know if the flowers are inspired by his album, Flower Boy. Just throwing that out there, I don't know, but I love it. Both shoes are really beautiful. I love them. There's not one thing I would change about these, in my opinion. Shoelaces wise, I'd probably go with purple just because I like the purple on the inside, but the white doesn't look bad either. But that's just my opinion. I love that he did this collaboration with Converse, and Converse went with Tyler and did their thing. He's done such a great job, in my opinion, not just with music, but with his own clothing brand and all of his collaborations he's done. Again, just simple Converse, Chuck Taylor, 1 star on the back in white. It's a clean pair of shoes, in my opinion. I love it. And so let's get into the next pair of shoes. The next pair of shoes, surprise, surprise, it's Vans. Just kidding. Anyways, you know how much I love Vans. Like I said in the last one, I have like 20 pairs, or if I didn't, I do have quite a bit of Vans, but this is a collaboration with Brain Dead. Brain Dead is like I wouldn't say it was a company, or that it's a company. It's more of just like a bunch of collaborators that come together and make their own stuff. And it's just really interesting, some of the stuff that they make, clothing-wise and shoe-wise. But in the comment section, real quick, just let me know how you feel about the collaborations that have been with Vans, how you feel about them, or if you don't know, I'd suggest you look them up. They've done it with like Toy Story and NASA and Van Gogh. I mean, the list just goes on and on. Mario Kart, Mario, whatever you want to call it. There's beautiful shoes, and I want to try to get my hands on them as much as I can. But like I said, just a plain black box and not a normal Vans box, which I appreciate that they did this because, yeah, it's a classic box, but I love it when you get a different kind of box, just not the normal box. Again, I love it. Like I said, here's the shoe. It says Era LX Brain Dead in Brain Dead Silver Pink, size 12, my size. And one thing I didn't know about these shoes whenever I saw them a little bit earlier is that you actually had two pairs of laces. You have the white, which is on the shoe right here, or cream, I should say. And then you have a pair of pink ones right here that match with the shoes. And then you also have like this black pair. I personally wouldn't wear that just because I don't like it. But anyways, you just have normal Vans tissue paper. Again, I'm not too picky, but I wish they could have done something cool like with my Toy Story Vans or Woody Vans. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see them. But I wish that, like they did with Toy Story, they did something with the paper, like clouds and stuff like that. Just really interesting kind of stuff. But real quick on the box, you pull it out. It's a pull-out box. And on it, it's just got their different emblems and stuff like that. But here are the shoes. Really beautiful pair of shoes. It's got that kind of, I don't know, pastel bubblegum pink color. Just really, really nice. I love it. On the shoe, like I said, you can see the different emblems on it. It says Brain Dead. It's got like broken glass, weird faces, broken eggs, just all kinds of stuff. I don't know. I really love it. But these are a pair of Eras. Like I said in the last video, or if I said in the last video, I am not typically a fan of Eras. Not that I don't like them. I love all Vans, but my Vans that I wear is either old schools or authentics. That's just me, my personal preference. But anyways, like I said, there's the emblems all over the shoe. Same thing on the tongue. I really like that Vans, I don't know if it was Vans or if it was Brain Dead that took the time to do that stuff, like put the details in there. You got Brain Dead and Vans, but you got like this gray insole. I like it, my personal opinion. On the inside, same thing as the Golf with Floors. You got like this leather, faux leather, whatever kind of inside. On the back of the shoe, you have off the wall. You don't have Vans, you just have off the wall. Again, I don't care. I just love it anyways. But I just love these shoes. They're really clean, and instead of the typical gum bottom soles, you have like this pink color, and I like that. If y'all know me, you know I love pink. I love my colors, but I really love pink, and I love that they did that on top like they did on the bottom. But the materials is kind of nice. I don't know what you would call it. I don't know if you call it a nubuck or like a nubuck leather. I don't know. It's really interesting. It's not canvas. It's really thick, in my opinion. But like I said, I love the color on it. You can see that they've been worn. Again, I don't care. But I don't know. I just love this shoe. And I love that they paid the attention to the details on the shoe. Gave it some character. But yeah, that's them. And then here is also the pair of Golf with Floors. Two shoes, like I said, I've been wanting for a long time. These ones are the ones I was talking about that I've been really wanting for a long time. Just because I love the stuff that they've done with Tyler. And then, like I said, the stuff with Brain Dead. You know I love Vans either way, and you'll see me unbox a lot of Vans on this channel. But yeah, man, these are just both the shoes. I really love them. I love the colors. and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel again. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you dislike it, go ahead. I don't care. It's not going to affect me. But anyways, if you can, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, please. It goes a long way. And while you're at it, when you're there, click that bell so you can know when I post stuff on this channel, so you can be updated when I upload new content. I'm going to try to branch out and do different things, not just shoes. You know I love shoes, but I want to try to get into like men's clothing stuff, you know, give you different opinions, show you how I like my style and stuff like that. But other than that, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell to be notified whenever I upload new stuff. But until then, I'll see y'all next time, and peace. Thank